All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome aboard to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of Gar Capital. Glad to be with you this morning and every morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here on the YouTube channel. What you're staring at right now is our live market blog, blogging all the news in the morning and throughout the day to get you prepped for your trading session. I'm starting off with the blog because this is important. I posted this on Instagram. Scammer alerts. Guys, it's very, very important that you take a look at who's messaging you. If you're not sure, please either email us, garcapital@gmail.com, or you can DM me if you're on the blog by just clicking my name. Very simple. So I will never DM you asking you for banking information, brokerage access, crypto, none of that. Never give personal information over Discord or social media. Please don't. There's some people I know that have been scammed. But again, just be vigilant. That's all. So not going to ask you for that stuff. Never will. If you ever want to sign up for our services, it's very simple. Just go to our website, www.gar.capital. This has protection of payments and all that good stuff. So you click on Discord and you scroll down to our free plan here. Not sure where to start? Click on free plan, and then that'll bring you up to the Discord. Real quick, as I have it in front of me, PPI came in hotter than expected. Hottest in September, 0.6% over the 0.3% for the previous. The estimate was 0.3%. So again, double. PPI February year over year, 1.6% versus a 0.9%. The estimate was 1.1%. So we still got a little inflation there. It's not completely dead. Yes, we have falling inflation, but there is still inflation. Does that mean anything in terms of the Fed? Well, we got CPI hot, PPI hot. What do we do with that information? We'll take a look at the markets here in a second. Claims were lower than expected, 209K versus 218K, and retail sales, slight miss, but again, positive across the board at least, but a miss on retail sales. So not all good news, obviously. So we want to make sure how that's going to affect us today. And we're going to go ahead and bring up to us. Here we go. Dow futures are up 116 points. Shows how much is affected. NASDAQ's up 50. The S&P up 10. The Russell is down about 4. 10-year Treasury yields are up. So again, yields are up 4.225, but you can't use that direct correlation of, if yields are up, stocks will be down. I mean, it doesn't work one-to-one every time. It's just kind of a guide. The VIX is down 1.82%. Even with PPI, CPI hot, retail sales miss. Market don't care. A US dollar, 102.96, up 1.17%. Crude oil above 80, 80.40 now. We had XLE calls hit yesterday. We had XOM calls hit for Masterclass. Awesome job. Gasoline is up as well. Gold. Remember we talked about gold? We traded that thing. Now we're looking for a retest. 2089 if we do break below 2157. So I still think gold has some opportunities, maybe to short, to retest the previous breakout, which was just about 10 days ago. Silver's up as well this morning. Copper is down 0.58%. Bitcoin is down 0.61%. Nothing really to report there. I do have BITO calls, but we're still waiting on 74K to crack, and we're right there. I still have Tesla puts, guys. We bounced on really no news. That's why you saw the Discord thing with Kurt Angle's face. It was just a joke. We were down 1.5%. Pre-market on Tesla, it bounced. Now it's slightly red. So I do have the 160 puts. I'm staring at them all day. I want to get them today as soon as possible, even though the expiry is for the 28th of March. Thoughts on Apple? Yeah, Apple, like I said this weekend, I bet we're basing at around 170. And so far, that's been holding up. I'm still waiting for 175 to break. Robinhood, yeah, they put up some numbers regarding their brokerage. And remember, our target was 20. We traded that already. Traded it twice. Once Masterclass, and the other with our premium group. So it's not like we missed out on anything. I'm going to let kind of Robinhood do its thing. I want to see how the candle settles today, and then we could pick up the pieces because we already have the breakout anyways. And again, we've already traded it. Tesla puts will hit for sure. JPM is all-time highs. You know the drill, guys. I love JPM. I think Jamie Dimon's the best CEO on Wall Street, and I still say you stay long the name. I just wouldn't. Well, actually, this is banking. Would you buy here? If you're already a shareholder, not really. You're waiting for a pullback. But JPM to me is best of breed when it comes to banks. And I love banks because I also have Bank of America calls, and that's going to hit. We had Citibank calls for Masterclass. That already hit. I think they have the 60s still for September. I have a runner. But awesome stuff all around. BAC, we're just going to get to 37. We're about, what, 91 cents away. We'll get there. We'll get there. God, guys, we're so close. Tesla is so important to this puzzle because Tesla will continue the streak, and that's the closest expiry that we have. So I really want to get Tesla because it's the most out of the money put we have, or out of the money call we have. Same deal. Look at this breakdown, guys. I mean, we've been saying it. 160. Let's just get to 160, and then we could do calls, or we could start buying stock. But right now, it's still short until then. Exciting. AMD. Yeah, AMD broke my alert too. Like I was saying this weekend, that to pull back, we were going to get that pullback. So we get from 210 to 193. And technically, yes, I could short here, but I'm really just focused on keeping that risk in check. We got XLE off the board. We still got 3 trades open for premium. So again, I still think AMD still has a little more room down. All we're going to do is retest 185 like we talked about on our weekly video. Make sure to check that out. Turn on notifications and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss those weekly videos, guys, because we talked about AMD pulling back. I said NVIDIA would pull back. Oops. Good luck stopping this. I mean, well, technically speaking, it did pull back on Friday, and Monday it is up this week. So can't get them all right. But AMD, yes, 185 is the target. What I get in now, how's this? I think our best bet would be to wait for the break of 190. But again, I want to get some kind of risk off the board before we add something else. Oh, 22 in a row. That would be the record. We are tied for the record of this year, 14 in a row. 14 in a row we also had in January. 22 is the goal. Yes. I have a goal in my head. It's a big number. I'm not going to ruin it, Jeremy. But yeah, I'm gunning for 21, man. I'm excited. If we can get Tesla today, man, that gets us at 15. Then we're really cooking. Mara. Let's see it. Yeah, guys, same thing with Mara. You know, why own Mara? Why trade Mara? You're better off just trading, if you want to trade as Bitcoin. If you want it as the proxy, the way we used to trade Mara a long time ago, right? A couple months ago, since BITO and the ETFs came out, I just think it's better just to ignore it. I mean, yeah, if you want to trade it, just the stock purely technical, sure. 1797 is your 100-day moving average. That looks to be support. Once it tags that, then we should just be able to hold there. But I think BITO is better. I don't think there's really a reason to own these names or even to trade them. If you're using them as a proxy for Bitcoin, excuse me, you're just trading it because, well, you like the stock, that's fair. When you're going to make the video about treasuries and how it correlates to the market, don't mean to rush you. Yes, can you please type that in the comments section so I can be reminded? Thank you. In the comments box of the actual video, not on the chat because I'll miss it. Sorry about that. Let's take a look at SPY. I'll speak about it briefly this weekend. How's that? SPY, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, we're up pre-market. Yeah, it looks like 520 is coming. It's just perfect channel. Not much to do here, unless you're just playing the all-time highs, which is 518. Not much to do there. QQQ, same deal. It's been a very choppy road for the indexes. Look at this. Not much to do there, guys. Just going to have to wait. Going to have to wait for a break of 447.50 to get to 450. That's really all you're looking for. In terms of Apple, again, we're still looking for that base of 175. Once we break that, then we could start looking at some more upside. But as of right now, it seems to me that 170 is kind of that support that's holding up. So I wouldn't want to short it. But until 175 breaks, I wouldn't do much here. We're just going to have to wait it out. All right, team. I'm going to go ahead and check in with my server members. I will catch you guys tomorrow for the next morning note. And we'll see how Tesla does for us and how the week ends up. We will see you then. Cheers all.